This is Craig Bonham, Vice President of Work Truck at Safe Fleet.
No way, Joe. How you doing,
Joe,
buddy?
It's
a year later.
Gosh,
you're looking better than ever.
Yeah, you look a little younger.
I'm trying, man. I'm trying to keep up with guys like you.
Yeah, I don't know.
Thanks for making the stop today.
Absolutely.
I've been waiting on this all day.
This is exciting stuff you got going on
here. It is. Very exciting.
Tell the guys that weren't smart enough to come today what they're missing.
Okay, Joe. Our spotlighted product here at the show, at the 2018 NTEA Work Truck Show,
yes, sir.
Okay, is an Ergo Rack Family product known as Low Profile Ship-thru. This product was designed exclusively for the low roof transit.
Okay.
And it was to address many things today, not just for Safe Fleet, but for the end user, the installer, the fleets, the distributors, and the upfitters.
Okay.
So we designed a product that we think is a fantastic solution for all of those things, and I'd like to show it to you.
Yeah,
so
please.
basically, what you see here today is a simulated halo of a rail car. Physically a rail car, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. And that is actually the dimensional shape and height and size of the rail cars that roll out of Kansas City.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And those low roof transits ride in the B deck of that rail car system, and they have to meet a certain shipping envelope.
Okay.
So in the ladder rack industry, which has always been kind of an ancillary add-on, those products either had to be assembled and shipped in the cargo bay area of the van, or in a box, which sometimes would be 2 to 3, 4 hours to assemble, because they were,
We've done
there were people that didn't know how to assemble them.
Right.
So we came up with a solution, and I'd like to take you upstairs here and show it to you.
Please, let's do that.
So here we are, Joe, here at the top, and the top of the world, right?
Yeah, man.
Ford Transit.
I love it.
Top of the world. One of the things that we pay very sharp attention to is the engineering aspect of this product when it was designed by our engineer and the team at Safe Fleet Prime Design. The foundation of the product is the most crucial component of the ladder rack assembly. The mounting flanges and all the contact points of the rack foundation itself are mounted and adjusted to a 5-degree angle. This ensures that the rack sits down on top of the roof while also utilizing the plush nut openings that are in the roof line, and there's no drilling needed. So we utilize those mounting points. As you can see, the rack is very naked on this side, but yet occupied over there with some of the ancillary gear that would normally be found on a ladder rack in its work environment.
Right.
So what we did at Prime Design is we came up with this dynamic opportunity and design that we felt would be a fantastic solution. We designed this rack with crossbar, smart crossbar technology. So let's think about that a second.
Yeah.
Smart crossbar technology, simply the most advanced rack technology. It's genius, right? It's no better way to use the acronym. What we do is we install the rack where the rack is being installed, and we ship these in piles of 10 on a specially designed pallet. So they're already pre-assembled at Prime Design. When they get to the installation site, they just peel off the first one, set it on the van, bolt it down, and then install the L brackets and the Z brackets. Those are the only components that you have to install afterwards. Because
just these here.
Those little brackets, that's correct. But the genius part of it is the smart crossbar technology. When the rack is put on the van, there are 4 13mm bolts that are on the crossbars. Here, there, and 2 up front.
Right. Okay.
That allows us to slide the crossbar system in, okay, so it will fit in the shipping envelope. In the rail car.
Got it.
Okay? Once the vehicle gets to its final destination, it's offloaded out of the ramp. It goes to the dealer. When they get ready to PDI the vehicle, they stick the fluids, they check the tires, they put the hubcaps on, and they put the L and Z brackets on the rack.
They pull this out.
They pull this out, tighten the bolts, and it's like that for the rest of its life.
That's great.
So let's look at this. Potentially you could save between 2 and 6 hours of installation time based on the experience level of the installer. All right? It now can actually skip a step in the delivery process, okay? It eliminates bottleneck in service departments because they got to use a bay to put it on, and they're in need to turn bay space, right? That's how a dealership generates revenue. And that makes this a fantastic solution.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
Pretty exciting, isn't
Yeah,
it?
this is great.
All right.
Yeah, this is super.
I got something even better to show you. Let's
You
go
do?
look. All right, Joe.
Yes, sir.
New product launch.
Okay.
Imagine that.
Yeah, I love it.
never come up with new products. My team never comes up with new products.
That's just not like you guys at all,
Absolutely not.
man.
Here's the
That's
thing that
great.
I want to point out to you. There's a need for high capacity ladder rack assemblies
Correct.
today.
Yep.
Some of them are challenged. We've got a fantastic fit for this product, okay? And it is called rear deploy.
Okay.
As you can see, this particular system allows up to a 28-foot ladder to be offloaded to the rear of the vehicle with minimal effort.
Oh, that's great.
And when that ladder has to be reinstalled and sent back to its domiciled location, okay, it's very, very simple.
Yeah.
And it's a fantastic product. We're looking to release pricing on May the 1st with final specifications announced as well. And we'll be producing this product and launching it with production by June 1.
Whoa, that's great.
So it is a game changer today.
is, yeah.
It's a fantastic product offering for roofing contractors that may even have a power ladder instead of a manually operated ladder. And we're thinking also there could be some other ancillary vocational products that could be utilized in this type of system.
Sure, yeah.
This is a product that has evolved over the years, but this is another ergonomic solution from Safe Fleet Prime Design.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Now, putting it back up there is about as simple, is it?
It's very, very simple. And our product manager, John Bush, is demonstrating that now.
Sure. Look at that. That's great.
It's a beauty.
Yeah.
It's a beauty.
Yeah, that's great.
Hey, Joe, I really appreciate you making the stop.
Hey, this is great.
It's
This is
fantastic to see you, pal.
great. Good to see you, sir.
Have a great show.
Hey, you too. Have a great year.
Yep, you too.
Good together.